everyone, welcome to Dronacharya IAS. In today's video, we will be covering the color classification of hydrogen. आप सबने न्यूज़ में देखा होगा that a lot of emphasis is being placed on transitioning towards the hydrogen fuel. तो सबसे पहले you need to understand that why so much emphasis is being placed on hydrogen fuel. तो देखिए hydrogen is a clean fuel. It's a clean energy source. When you burn hydrogen in the presence of oxygen as a byproduct, it only produces H2O, that is water. Unlike your fossil fuels which produce harmful emissions such as CO2 or sulfur dioxide, unlike that your hydrogen fuel is a clean fuel. Why? Because it only produces water as a byproduct, which is a safe byproduct, unlike your harmful emissions, harmful greenhouse gas emissions which are released on burning fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, etc. So I hope the first point is clear, that why hydrogen is so much in news, why so much emphasis is being placed on hydrogen, because it's a clean fuel and it holds a promise to transition us towards a more clean environment. Yes? Now, let's understand, you must have also read in the news the various colors of hydrogen. For example, आपने सुना होगा there's something called as green hydrogen, then there's something called as pink hydrogen, blue hydrogen, grey hydrogen. तो is it that कि hydrogen gas के अलग अलग colors हैं? Is it कि hydrogen gas अलग अलग colors में exist करती है? The answer is no. These colors are on the basis of how this hydrogen gas is being produced. Yes, on the basis of the source of hydrogen. We know that hydrogen is a very scarce gas in our atmosphere. If we talk about our atmospheric composition, we have 78% nitrogen, then we have 21% oxygen, then we have other gases such as CO2, argon, etc. And hydrogen is very, very scarce. It's very minute. It has very minute presence in atmosphere. So we need to produce it by ourselves. In nature, it is very scarcely present. Now, let's see what are the various colors of hydrogen on the basis of how it is produced. First, there is something called as the green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is produced from water only. We know that water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen makes H2O. So, when you pass electric current through water, the process called as the electrolysis of water, this molecule of water will break down into H2 and O2. Yes, this is what happens through the process of electrolysis. Now, in green hydrogen, when we produce green hydrogen, the electric current that you use for producing hydrogen here is from renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources. Yes, for example, your solar energy or wind energy or maybe your tidal energy. Yes, ऐसे sources जो कभी exhaust नहीं होते, those are called as a renewable energy. और अगर हम renewable energy से produce हुई electricity को use करके water का electrolysis करें और hydrogen produce करें, that's what is called as the green hydrogen. Okay, so I hope the first term is clear, what is green hydrogen. Now let's understand other colors of hydrogen, such as, firstly, let's see the next hydrogen is, next hydrogen is grey hydrogen. What happens in grey hydrogen? तो जो grey hydrogen है, that is produced from fossil fuels. Yes, and which fossil fuel specifically? From methane. Yes, we know methane का formula क्या है? What is the molecular composition of methane? It's CH4. Now, there's a process called as the steam reforming of methane. Steam reforming of methane. Yes, so steam reforming means you react CH4 with steam, that is the vaporized form of water, and what you get as a result of this reaction is CO2 plus H2. So the hydrogen that we get out of this reaction from methane by reacting methane with steam is this grey hydrogen. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the next color of hydrogen, that is the blue hydrogen. Now, blue hydrogen और grey hydrogen almost similar है. Blue hydrogen को भी हम same process, that is steam reforming of methane से produce करते हैं. Only difference being कि यहाँ पे जो CO2 produce हुआ है इसको हम capture करके स्टोर कर देंगे. वी विल कैप्चर एंड स्टोर दिस CO2. वी विल नॉट अलाउ दिस CO2 टू एंटर इनटू द एनवायरनमेंट और एक्ट एज अ ग्रीन हाउस गैस इन आवर एनवायरनमेंट. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस रिएक्शन में जो CO2 प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है उसको हम कैप्चर करके स्टोर कर देंगे, या तो अंडरग्राउंड या फिर हम उसको वेरियस इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेसेस के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. I hope this much is clear. We have covered 3 colors of hydrogen so far. First was green, second was grey hydrogen, and the third one is blue hydrogen. Now let's move to the next more colors. One hydrogen is something called as the yellow hydrogen. Yellow hydrogen. Yellow hydrogen is also produced through electrolysis of water, that is you have to pass electric current through water, but the electric energy used in this case is the solar energy. We use the electricity produced through solar panels for producing yellow hydrogen. I hope this is clear. Then comes something called as pink hydrogen. Pink hydrogen is also produced through electrolysis of water, that is you will pass electric current through water, but the energy used in this case is the nuclear energy. These differ very minutely, only difference is what kind of energy we are using. In case of green hydrogen, we were using renewable energy, any kind of renewable energy. In case of yellow hydrogen, we are using solar energy, and in case of pink hydrogen, we are using nuclear energy. Then comes something called as the black hydrogen or the brown hydrogen. Black or brown hydrogen, this is produced from coal. Okay, it is not produced through electrolysis of water, rather it is produced through coal. Yes, then one more last color of hydrogen which I would like to discuss with you is the white hydrogen. White hydrogen. Now, we know there are various industrial processes, बहुत सारे ऐसे industrial processes होते हैं जहाँ पे hydrogen automatically as a by product produce हो जाता है. Yes, हम किसी और चीज़ को बनाना जा रहे थे, but वहाँ पे hydrogen as a by product produce हो गया, तो उसको हम कहते हैं white hydrogen. It is produced as an industrial by product, and along with that white hydrogen is also used to refer to the hydrogen which is naturally found in our earth's crust. हमने पहले बात की थी कि एटमॉस्फेयर में तो हाइड्रोजन एक बहुत ही स्कार्स गैस है, बट इन समवेयर इन आवर जियोलॉजिकल फॉर्मेशंस इन आवर क्रस्ट वी डू फाइंड हाइड्रोजन. सो दैट इज वाइट हाइड्रोजन फाउंड इन आवर जियोलॉजिकल फॉर्मेशंस. So I hope all the colors of hydrogen are clear to you. We have discussed this topic very comprehensively. Yes, we started with discussing green hydrogen, then we talked about grey hydrogen, blue hydrogen, yellow, pink, then we also talked about white hydrogen. So I hope these terms are clear to you. Now you won't get confused when you see any of these colors appearing in news. Also, I have one question for you people. You will tell me that what is turquoise hydrogen? There is a term called as turquoise hydrogen. You will tell me how is turquoise hydrogen produced. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Let's end this video. Thank you. Keep watching Dronacharya IAS. Thank you.